All right, 10-4. We're going to look at volume of solids. So we're going to get some pictures and some formulas in first. If we want to, we can practice our three-dimensional box drawing. Draw your two boxes, connect. Then you've got your volume. We can find the volume of this box. So we've got a length, we've got a width, and we've got a height. So the volume of a rectangular solid is length times width times height. A cube is a special rectangular solid where every side is the exact same length. So in that one, the volume would be length times width times height. But if all of them are the same, we say they're all the same. So it's the same as saying S cubed. So rectangular solids and cubes. All right, we've got a rectangular solid here, and I would like you to try to find the volume. Length of 2, width of 6, with a height of 4. So if our volume is length times width times height, we will go 2 times 6 times 4. So we'll have 48. And don't forget to label as meters squared. Let's call that 3 dimensions, so let's call that meters cubed. All right, let's take a moment and read our scenario. You're about to begin work on a swimming pool in your yard. Miss Richards building a swimming pool. And the first step to have a hole dug that is 90 feet long, 60 feet wide, and 6 feet deep. We're going to use a truck that can carry 10 cubic yards of dirt, charges $12 per load. How much will it cost to have all the dirt hauled away? I think our first move is going to be draw a picture. We've got to have a hole dug for our pool. It's going to be rectangular. And let's put some dimensions in here. "90 feet long, 60 feet wide, and 6 feet deep." So we're looking at a rectangular solid. So if we find its volume, 60 times 90 times 6. All right, so 60 times 90 times 6 is 3,200 feet cubed. But the truck we're talking about takes out cubic yards. So we would have to divide cubic feet by 27. And then we'll get our cubic yards. So we get 1,200 yards cubed. Now we've got some division to do. If our truck can haul away 10 cubic yards, how many truckloads is it going to take? So if we divide by 10, we're going to have 120 truckloads times $12 per load. It's going to cost $1,440 to have our dirt hauled away to build our swim pool. All right, the next thing we want to draw in our notes is a pyramid. So some kind of either a square base or a rectangular base with sides coming up would be a good drawing of a pyramid. And the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 the volume of a rectangular solid. We call it volume equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. Be sure to include where B is the area of the base. So if it's our area notes are from 3. So if it's a square, we do side times side. If it's rectangle, we do length times width. All right, let's try another problem. A pyramid is 4 feet tall. Each side of the square base has a length of 6 feet. Find the pyramid's volume. So if we can draw that square base, semi-squarish, each side of the base is 6 feet. So the area of the base, which we're calling big B, is 6 times 6 is 36 feet squared. And then we've got our height of our pyramid, which is 4 feet high. So we do our area of our base times our height. So 36 times 4. So our volume is going to be 144 feet cubed again.